Ziggy error, root is not in the root list. Let's have a look at how we fix this. Now, this error comes up if you're using Laravel with Inertia.js and Vue.js, and the reason for that is because you're really stupid. But I'm gonna show you how to get rid of it. So there are a couple of reasons you might be getting this. Number one, you might have a typo. This is the most stupid reason. So you might have misspelt something and you might be referencing it with a misspelling as well. So that's reason number one. Reason number two is slightly less stupid, but it is still stupid. And that is, so I have this tools root here. As you can see, it exists. So tools, tools, tools. It definitely exists. But what I did was I copied it, I pasted it because I wanted a similar root. I gave it my new root a different name. So now they're two completely different roots, right? Well, no, they're not. Because what I failed to change was this, the path here. So what actually happens is, although this root here is created, you then create this one, which has the exact same method, which is get, and path, which was tools. But if I change that back to a different path, that'll work. My original one even will work just fine. So if I had to guess, that is the reason why you're getting this error. And yeah, you're stupid.